Good morning to all of you. So here, myself, Chavan sir, from the Department of Botany. I am engaging your this topic, environmental management system and its implementation. So, as per our syllabus, we are taking here these characteristics of this environmental management system implementation. So, what is meaning of EMS? So, how it is defined? So, EMS is defined as environment policy and the components of EMS. Here, the identification of environmental different aspects and the impacts, then legal and the other requirements, then training and the awareness requirements, application of environment standards like ISO as per the that is the Indian Standards Organization and the standards ISO standards commonly called and the history of their development. So we should give the proper definition for the EMS as per the whilst we are studying the EMS. So there are 10 top elements in a successful environment management systems are: first one, environmental policy, then second, environmental requirements, third, voluntary initiatives, then fourth one, objectives or the targets, fifth one, structure, responsibility and the resources, sixth one, operational control, seventh one, corrective and the preventive action, eighth one is the emergency procedures, then nine one is the training, and the lastly the awareness and the competence. So we have to focus particularly on these top 10 elements for the successful EMS. So as per our understanding, so if we are thinking about the EMS, so first we think why have an EMS. So as it is to be studied that for to improve the management of environmental impact, that is the set targets to reduce the energy use, water use and the waste. So therefore EMS is required. Suppose we are nowadays observing the large cities are there, large different forest systems are there, and there are the different types of the issues are occurring. So how we can do the management? So in the defined key responsibilities for achieving the targets regularly, which access the progress towards the achieving set objectives are there. It shows assist with the environmental reporting, that it shows the cost, achieve cost saving, and shows the leadership nationally and the internationally. So we are knowing nowadays there are local many problems are there. We will discuss there some examples later on. But first is to see what is the need or why it is there. Then it obtain the competitive advantage may be required by the clients or the customers or the regularly build the goodwill from. Then role of management in the is management in establishing and the implementing an EMS. So to develop and approve the environmental policy as a statement of the commitment to provide the resource, appoint the management or the representatives. So there should be anyone leader or the anyone authority or generally to provide such source. It provides the support to management representative in establishment phase to overcome the barriers. So there are certain difficulties and therefore EMS is required. So proper environmental management is the important. Nextly, different environmental policy, as we are knowing, they set the direction or the way of organization plans to manage its environmental impacts, right? So here we are knowing here here uh, here the some characteristics are there. As we are knowing, there is having the environmental policy set the direction to the organization. Before that, as we have seen about the role of the management and the environmental policy, they are generally related with that of the direction for the way of the organization, then plans to the manage the environmental impacts. So what is the meaning of the this? So we have to plan or the manage for the different environmental issues are there. There are the it includes the different commitments in relation to the pollution. Then there is a legal compliance and the continual improvement is there. So we have to give the idea of the pollution indices. Suppose for the water, for the air, or the different waste are there. Basically, it includes the framework for the objectives and the different targets. So we have to decide the what are the priorities or the what are the different targets are there. Then in the planning of the EMS, the environmental aspects as the legal and the other requirements are there and their objective. So identifying the environmental aspects, we have to know about this type of the different characters are there. Suppose and what are the legal procedures are there, how we complete this. For example, resource or the roles are there. So these are the some highlighting characters. Then basically the as a management, it provides the different documents or the responsibility and the authorities are there. So appointment of management representative, it is the one of the part. Then there should be the coordination in between the establishment or the implementation of this. So after this all, we have to decide the this establishment or the implementation, that is actual working is there. Then for this generally to maintain the certain competence training and the awareness programs are important. So these are to be commonly through the workshops or through this one and give their role and its significance. Then there is having the to fulfill the need of the trainings are there. So generally these trainings, it should be done through the proper communication. So this communication generally, it is helpful to the external parties and to the management also, right? After overall, the documentation is important. So in relation to documentation, we have to consider the policy, then objectives and the targets. These we should consider, and there should be having the different types of the characters are there. So maximum document control, as there are the different types of the reviews or updates and the approval and the identification of the changes are there. So as per the current status, generally the revision is important. So like this one, these are the some important characteristics, and generally we have to give the weightage for this. Secondly, there are some emergency uh, preparedness and the responses are important. So what is it? So actually we have to consider the as per the situation. So how parade means what? It is to be focused in front of someone, so commonly, and it should be minimize the environmental impact, so therefore it is needed. Checking of the different these monitoring and the measurements, so evaluation is important here. So overall in the EMS, basically monitoring is important, activities and the functions are important. Secondly, we have to consider for the evaluation of the compliance. Compliance, that is the periodical evaluation, observation through the legal and the other requirement and their records. So these are important, as there is having the it is good for the generally next steps are there. So therefore, non-conformity, corrective action and the preventive action, these are important. Secondly, we have to control of the all records and retain the all environmental records, their development, then implementation and the maintenance. So these are the some characteristic. In the next lecture we will say about the next part. Okay, so thanks to all.